I'm going to show you how you can completely transform the look and the interior of your home with a super beginner-friendly DIY project. All you're going to need is this really specific black paint from Sherwin Williams. It is the urethane trim enamel for interior and exterior, and the paint color is Black Magic. I did this on my windows, my sliding glass doors, everything throughout my house because I hated the look of my old white windows, and I also couldn't afford the $30,000 that it was going to be to replace them. So this is how you can upgrade the look of the inside without paying that much money to replace your windows. I'm going to show you some before and after photos of what my windows look like before, what they look like now, and then I will also show you how to do it. This is what my kitchen window and sliding glass door looked like before, completely outdated, and this is what they look like now after painting them black. Granted, this is 3 years later, so they have held up extremely well, and I additionally painted that entire desk black also, and that has held up really well. This was my bathroom window before, and this is it after. I love how contrasting it makes it. And then also the front door before and after. Just crisp, clean, adds a lot of dimension to your home. I don't have a good before photo of my front windows, but this is what they look like now with my girls on neighborhood watch like they are every day. Okay, let's get started on this project. First thing that you're going to need to do is clean the window, all of it really, really well so that there's no dirt or grime stuck underneath that paint. Then the most important part of this project is making sure that you do a good job with your paint tape. If you are going to use a sprayer for this, you need to obviously cover the entire windows. I went the brush route since I don't have a sprayer, and so I just did a really good job with that paint tape. I used a regular 2-inch paintbrush for this when I needed to get into some of the smaller details. I used a smaller art brush for it. You know, anything works with these DIY projects. You can improvise. So that was what it looked like after one coat. I went through and I added a second coat. I would recommend taking your blinds off. Again, I cut a lot of corners with these projects, but they always turn out fine. So, you know, who cares? This is what it looked like after a second coat, and I believe I went through and did a really easy third coat just to make sure that it all was consistent and looked great. Now, here is one of the other tips and pieces of advice I would give you is in between each coat, you need to open that window so that it is not getting stuck. I did not have this problem with any of my other windows. I'm not sure why this one got stuck so bad, but I had a hard time getting it open and was a little worried there for a minute, but no worries, we got the window open and all is well. Here is another shot of what that window looked like before and what it looks like now in my guest bedroom. So as you can see, this is one of the easiest home DIY projects you can do. You just have to make sure you're using the correct paint and you're taping well, and then you're opening those windows between coats. Okay, it's as easy as that. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you do this project. And I am just a small content creator, so it really helps me out if you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be redoing my kitchen and getting rid of the millennial white and completely redoing my cupboards, replacing the fixture, and possibly doing a fun project with the island. So follow along for more. Thanks, and good luck with your projects.